Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear Google Drive cache in your Android phone. Today I'll show you 3 methods that you can use to clear cache on Google Drive. Now for the first method, just open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down, then go to apps option. From here scroll down and find Google Drive. That's it. Then just tap here. From here scroll down, then go to storage, and at the bottom you can see clear cache option. Then just tap here and the cache has been cleared successfully. Now for the second method, just go to app screen, then touch and hold on the Google Drive, then tap on this eye icon. From here scroll down again and go to storage, and that's it. You can also clear your Google Drive cache from here. Now for the third method, just open up Google Drive. After open the drive, just tap on this menu icon and then go to settings option. From here scroll down, then tap on clear cache, then tap on OK, and it's done. Now the cache has been cleared successfully. And that is how you can clear Google Drive cache in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.